Hello all students, I am Dr. Deepali Meher. In this video, we are going to see the implementation part of NoSQL databases. All these videos are nothing but for the preparation of database technologies. Now let us start. The first question is, a key value store is a simple dash dash linked list, stack, queue or hash table, and the correct option is D, hash table. Next question is, dash dash is equivalent to table in RDBMS, and the options are A, bucket, B, stack, C, queue and D, list, and the correct option is A, bucket. So bucket is equivalent to table in RDBMS. Next question is, in React, all access to the database is via dash. Options are A, foreign key, B, secondary key, C, primary key, D, composite key, and the correct option is C, primary key. In React, all access to the database is via primary key. Next question is, in Redis, aggregate is a dash dash, and the options are A, table, B, structure, C, data structure and D, row. The correct option is C, data structure. In Redis, aggregate is a data structure. Next question is, which of the following database supports storing list, sets and hash table? Which database supports storing list, sets and hash table? And the options are A, React, B, Redis, C, HamsterDB and D, Memcache. And the correct option is option B, Redis. So Redis supports storing lists, sets and hash table. Next question is, React stores key into dash dash. Options are A, tables, B, structures, C, buckets and D, primary keys. And the correct option is C, buckets. That is, React stores keys into buckets. Next question is, in key value databases, dash dash writes are performed. Options are A, pessimistic, B, optimistic, C, consistent, D, conflict. And the correct option is option B, pessimistic. In key value databases, optimistic writes are performed. Next question is, React is eventually dash dash. Options are A, inconsistent, B, inconsistent, C, consistent, D, never consistent. And correct option is C, consistent. That is, React is eventually inconsistent database. The next question is, in how many number of ways React will resolve the update conflicts when update conflicts will occur? So how many number of ways React will resolve it? So the options are A, 2, B, 3, C, 4, D, 2, and the correct option is D, 2. So there are two ways to resolve the conflicts in React. The next question is, which of the following statement is correct for resolving update conflicts in case of React databases? So which are the two options? Which statement is correct? Options are A, either the newest write wins and the older writes lose, B. Either the newest write lose and older write lose. C. Either the older write wins and newest write lose. D. Either the newest write lose and older writes will also lose. And the correct option is option A. Either the newest write wins and the oldest write lose. So these are the two ways in React that it will handle the update conflicts. Next question is, in React, resolving update conflicts are set up during bucket dash dash. That is, it will set up the update conflicts during which time? Options are A. Insertion, B. Deletion, C. Updation, D. Creation. And the correct option is D. Creation. That is, in React, resolving update conflicts are set up during bucket creation. Next question is, in React, to improve on write or read conflicts, user can change allow siblings flag during bucket creations. So, in which option is correct? During bucket creation. So, this option is correct. Next question is, in React, to improve on write or read conflicts, user can change allow sibling flags during bucket creation to what value it will set? Options are A. True or B. False. And the correct option is it will set that flag to false value. Next question is, React uses concept of dash dash to implement transactions. Log, system log, quorum and bucket. And the correct option is quorum. That is, React uses concept of quorum to implement the transactions. Next question is, in React, for example, n is equal to 5. That means it is a replication factor. W is equal to 3. That means number of nodes participate in write. Then a cluster must tolerate dash number of nodes being down for write operations. And the options are A4, B6, C7, D2. And the correct option is option D2. That means the cluster must tolerate 2 number of nodes being down for write operation. Next question is, React search allows query data same as dash. Options are A. Primary indexes, B. Secondary indexes, C. ISIM indexes, and D. Lucene indexes. So this is different kind of indexes. So React search allows query data same as in Lucene indexes. So D is the correct option. Next question is, in React, user can use to content type in the dash dash request to specify the data type. So in which request it will specify the data type? Options are A. Post and B. Get. And correct option is option A. Post. Next question is, key value databases scale by using dash dash technique. And options are A. Replication, B. Sharding, C. Indexing, and D. Searching. And the correct option is option B. Sharding. Key value databases scale by using sharding technique. Next question is, in React, to ensure consistency value of W. What is W? The number of nodes the write has to be written to before it is considered successful. So it can be set during the bucket dash dash. So it will be set during the bucket. What kind of options are? C. A. Insertion, B. Deletion, C. Updating, and D. Creation. And the correct option is option D, creation. So this flag or this W value can be set during bucket creation. Next question is, documents are self-describing hierarchical dash data structures which can consist of maps, collections and scalar values. And the options are A. Tree, B. Stack, C. Queue and D. List. And the correct option is A. Tree. So documents are self-describing hierarchical tree data structures in document database. Next question is, table in RDBMS is known as dash in MongoDB. And the options are A. Collection, B. Document, C. Row and D. Key. And the correct option is A. Collection. Table in RDBMS is known as collection in MongoDB. Next question is, each MongoDB instance has dash databases and each database can have dash collections. Options are A. Single, B. Multiple, multiple, C. Single, single, D. Multiple, single. And the correct option is option B. Multiple, multiple. Each MongoDB instance has multiple databases and each database can have multiple collections. Next question is, a command like db.run command get last error 1 w:majority tells the database how strong is the dash dash needed in the database. So this command tells what is needed in the database. Options are A. Durability, B. Atomicity, C. Isolation and D. Consistency. And the correct option is D. Consistency. So in MongoDB, this command is used to ensure how strong consistency is needed in the database. Next question is, in document databases, transactions at the single document level are known as dash dash transactions. Options are A. Durable, B. Consistent, C. Inconsistent, D. Atomic. And the correct option is option D. Atomic. That is, in document databases, transactions at single document level are known as atomic transactions. Next question is, dash supports transactions across multiple operations. So which database support transactions across multiple operations? And the options are A. MongoDB, B. RavenDB, C. OrientDB and D. CouchDB. So which database supports transactions across multiple operations? So the correct option is RavenDB. So RavenDB supports transactions across multiple operations. Next question is, document databases try to improve on availability by replicating data using dash technique. And the options are A. Peer-to-peer and B. master-slave. So document databases try to improve the availability by replicating data using peer-to-peer technique. Next question is, dash document databases allows user to query the database by views. and the options are A. CouchDB, B. RavenDB, C. OrientDB, and D. MongoDB. And the correct option is option A. CouchDB. That is, CouchDB document database allows user to query the database by views. Next question is, CouchDB document database allows user to query the database by what? The options are A. Transaction, B. Rows, C. Tables, and D. Views. And the correct option is option D. Views. CouchDB document database allows user to query the database by views. Next question is, document database scale by using dash technique. Options are A. Replication, B. Sharding, C. Indexing, and D. Searching. And the correct option is option B. Sharding. So document databases scale by using sharding technique. Which type of indexes MongoDB does not support? Which type of indexes MongoDB database does not support? The options are A. Compound indexes, B. Multi-key indexes, C. Geospatial indexes, and D. Lucene indexes. And the correct option is option D. Lucene indexes. So Lucene type of indexes MongoDB never supports. Next question is, dash aggregation option is used to specify the specific fields that needs to be passed to the next stage of aggregation pipeline. And the options are $project, $match, $group, $aggregate. And the correct option is $project. So $project aggregation option is used to specify the specific fields that needs to be passed to the next stage of aggregation pipeline. Next question is, in which of the following language MongoDB is written? Options are C. CPP, JavaScript, B. Python, .NET, C. Perl and Go programming, and D. Visual Basic .NET. And the correct option is option A. C. CPP, JavaScript. The MongoDB language or database is written in C. CPP, JavaScript language. Next question is, a collection and document in MongoDB is same as dash in RDBMS. Table and column, table and row, column and row, table and cursor. And the correct option is option B. Table and row. A collection and document in MongoDB is same as table and row in RDBMS. Next questions are for Neo4j database. So we'll go for it. Neo4j is dash type of database. Options are A. Document, B. Column, C. Centralized, and D. Graph. Correct option is option D. Graph. Next question is, Neo4j is developed in dash language, and the options are A. Python, B. CPP, C. C language, and D. Java and Scala. So Neo4j is developed in option D. Java and Scala language. Next question is, CQL stands for. Options are A. Cipher query language, B. Cipher quick language, C. Create query language, and D. Create quick language. And the which option is correct? Yes, A. Cipher query language. CQL stands for Cipher Query Language. Next question is, dash clause is used to delete nodes relationships in Neo4j, and the option is A. Create, B. Insert, C. Delete, and D. Update. So the correct option is C. Delete. Delete clause is used to delete nodes relationships in Neo4j. Next question is, Neo4j supports dash properties, and the options are A. Base, B. ACID, C. Acid, and D. Rule based. The correct option is acid. Neo4j supports acid properties because it is odd man out fish in the NoSQL databases. The next question is, any two nodes can be related by making dash between two nodes. Options are A. Index, B. Row, C. Arrow, and D. Relationships. So any two nodes can be related by making relationship between two nodes. Next question is, nodes in the Neo4j are called as, options are A. Entities, B. Rows, C. Tables, and D. Graphs. And the correct option is option A. Entities. Nodes in Neo4j are called as entities. Next question is, the use of dash clause is to get data about properties and nodes from the database. Options are A. Match, B. Create, C. Search, and D. Opening closing square bracket. The correct option is option A. Match. The use of match clause is to get data about properties and nodes from the database. Next question is, dash symbol is used to create a relationship in Neo4j. Options are A. Opening closing rounded bracket, B. Opening closing curly brackets, C. Opening closing square brackets, and D. Opening closing angular bracket. And the correct option is option C. Opening closing square bracket. So such symbol is used to create relationships in Neo4j. Next question is, if A is the source node and B is the destination node, then following which command is correct to create relationship between two nodes A and B? Options are square bracket A, arrow square bracket B, A relationship arrow B, A relationship arrow B, and B, see here is two arrows, B relationship arrow A. And the correct option is option B, A dash relationship arrow B, source relationship destination. Next question is, the dash command is used to transform any list back into the individual rows. Which command is used in Neo4j? Options are A. Match, B. Create, C. Relate, and D. Unwind. And the correct option is D. Unwind. So the unwind command is used to transform any list back into the individual rows. Thank you, dear students. With this we have finished with some study material which is related to part 2 implementation of